flight. Can't wait. Got the window seat. Come on, dude. Come on, man. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Can't believe we're going to Spain.
Spain? I thought we were going to Antarctica.
No, Spain!
Antarctica!
Spain!
Antarctica!
Okay, we're going neither of those.
We are going to New York.
Oh, okay. Where can we go?
Annoying passenger number 1. Move out the way for me!
Oh, I see.
Why won't you stay with me, sis? I'm not your sister. Oopsies. I like calling you sis. Oh, no, this is my seat.
Come on, Becky. Okay, Emily. I can't believe
Then
we're
we got the back.
Okay, Becky. Wait. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
Wonder who will get my seat.
Where is it?
Yay! Come on, Mark. Alright,
Logan.
no, it's Lucas.
I keep calling you Logan.
No, it's Lucas, dummy.
Can I just call you Logan?
No, no.
Fine, Lucas. I'll just call you Lucas.
Can't wait.
I can't wait for the trip. Ow.
Stop shaking the plane.
Sorry. Ow.
Ow. Can't wait for a nice piece of, you know what? Airplane food is disgusting, babe. Oh, shit, we didn't even get the same seat. Oh,
Actually,
phew.
made it on time.
Bing! Welcome to LPS Airways. I am your captain speaking. We will arrive in New York in about 5 hours. Please enjoy the flight while it lasts. And we serve quality airplane food. Yeah, right. Airplane food sucks.
Babe, never try the airplane food. Ow.
Why, babe? I'm so hungry.
I put some food.
I think I made it on time.
Good seat. Good seat.
We might experience some turbulence by now, but it'll be. Ah!
Guys, this is gonna check.
2 hours later.
Does anyone want any airline food? We have the best quality.
Me. I want airline food.
What would you like?
I like the Bart bean cake.
Okay, come on right now.
Are you serious?
You got the Bart bean cake, the worst cake of the century.
Yeah, why, Becky?
It's
Horrible, Emily. You should never try it.
well, my last name is Franz, and I am gonna eat it. Your name is Becky James.
James?
Isn't that
a boy's name?
That's your last name. That's what you're born with.
Fine. I hate my parents.
Don't hate them. It's not their fault. Here's your Bart bean cake.
Yum, yum.
Enjoy.
Don't put that up in my nose.
Sorry, Becky. Becky James.
Going to New York. No, going to Antarctica. Didn't you? We're going to Spain.
Antarctica.
Spain.
Antarctica.
Spain.
Okay, excuse me, sir, but can you shut up? It's too loud.
That's rude.
Sorry.
Isn't that a sippy cup? No, it's my thermos.
Honey, where we're going? excited for our honeymoon.
We're going to New York. Did you hear it?
No, this is the most romantic honeymoon ever.
Let's kiss. So disgusting.
I know, right?
Hey, this is our honeymoon. You don't mess with our relationship.
I am 23 and my name is Chance. Chance.
I don't need, you guys don't need to know my last name. My name is Chance and I don't tolerate kissing.
Oh well, I'm just 23. Oh, hello, miss. Hello.
This has been a long flight.
I know.
Oh, we did get in a crash. Bang! Attention everyone, attention everyone. We are now experiencing some turbulence. Please stay forward.
Ah! Is this for real? Are we gonna get a crash?
No, baby, I'm gonna die. I'm too cute to die.
Honey, you'll be okay for our honeymoon.
We're gonna die. We're gonna sing a song.
Okay.
Sad.